Now I will show you how to cook the soup, Egyptian soup. Okay, these are the ingredients. This soup is called the bird tongue. This is a bird tongue. It's like rice, but the color is brown. This one. Okay, this is a bird tongue. Is Laurel and 3 cardamon, and the soup of the beef before. We will use other soup of the beef before we cook in the bamia, and the water, of course, water, salt, black pepper, depends upon your taste. And I'm using also this one, this like butter or samna in Arabic. Wait, I will open for you. This one. Okay. We will put it 2 spoons. And those all the ingredients of bird tongue soup. So let's begin it. We will start it to cook. Now we put this one where we will cook. Okay. Now we will put 2 spoons of samna or butter, like this, and we will put the bird tongue. We will mix it. We will cook it until brown. We will cook it until brown. Now it's color brown, so I will put in the water. And the beef soup. All the spices we will put in: cardamom, laurel, black pepper, depend upon your taste, you will manage it, and the salt. We'll add more water. Full fire, big fire, shaya, until end. We will cover it until it will cook. Here's now the soup, Egyptian soup that we cooked today. And thank you so much for watching again. This soup, if you want to put lemon, it's okay, but it's more delicious if you will put lemon on this soup. So as you can see, because only soup you can see, this is the bird tongue that we are calling. So thank you for watching.